Hello guys, before we proceed into what we have for this video, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so in this video, I am going to be reviewing an expert advisor called Aura Black Edition, and this one is specifically designed for MT5. Okay, so right here on the MQL5 marketplace, you can see that um the Aura Black Edition EA is priced at 999 US dollars as at the time of recording, right? And there are also rental options about 499 US dollars for 6 months and 699 US dollars for 1 year. Now, one thing the developer is emphasizing here is that the EA is built specifically for gold. All right, it is fully automated and is designed to trade gold only. Okay, and you can also see that the EA is designed to work on the daily time frame. So this is clearly not a scalping system or anything short term. They also mentioned that it was trained using a neural network model, specifically a multi-layer perceptron, which basically means the EA is designed to recognize patterns in market data and adapt its decision making based on that training. Now, of course, whenever you see anything related to AI or neural networks, it sounds impressive, right? But what really matters is how it behaves in actual market conditions, which is what we'll be testing shortly. Now, let's quickly go through the core features of this EA. First thing, and this is important, the developer clearly states that it does not use martingale, grid, averaging, you know, and all these dangerous methods, of trading, right? So no high risk money management techniques. So from a risk structure perspective, this is already more controlled compared to a lot of aggressive EAs out there. We can also say that it uses a hard stop loss, all right, and take profit for each position, right, on every trade, which means that every position has predefined risk and reward levels. It also includes things like automatic lot sizing based on account balance, right? You can see automatic lot calculation volume, and then we have option fixed for lot, option for fixed lot. I mean, you can see that here if you prefer manual control. And then, of course, we have the spread filter and time filters for when trades can open, and we have the trailing stop as well, and break even functionality, and even the ability to open opposite trades depending on conditions. So overall, it's pretty flexible in terms of configuration, but still structured around controlled risk. Another thing worth noting is that the EA is designed to work with low leverage, starting from 1:20. All right. We can see the minimum leverage here, 1:20, and then we also have a minimum deposit of around 500 US dollars. So it's clearly positioned more towards steady swing style trading rather than aggressive compounding. All right, so now let us just move into the strategy tester and actually see how this EA behaves. So we are going to be using the recommendations for this EA. The Aura Black Edition EA is recommended to be used on gold. So we are going to use gold for our symbol, and we're going to use the daily time frame because that is the recommended time frame for this EA. All right. So we are running it on XAUUSD on the D1 time frame, and I'm starting the back test from around the beginning of this year. Okay. So we can get a decent sample of recent market conditions. All right. So let's just start. Now, as trades come in, this is where we really break down how the EA operates. All right. So remember that it's based on the daily time frame, so we might not see as much activity compared to the scalping strategies. All right. So from what I'm observing here, the EA is working because we can see price changing here, right? So the EA is working, but it's most likely using a trend following bias, okay? Because market seems quite slow at this particular point, right? But based on the description of this EA, of course, we know that it's going to be using a trend following bias combined with a filtering mechanism. Okay, so you will notice that trades are not happening very frequently, which makes sense since it's on the daily time frame. But when it does enter, it tends to align with strong directional moves in gold. So the entry logic here appears to be based on identifying momentum or breakout conditions, and then confirming that the market is not in a choppy or low volatility state. All right, and then entering in the direction of that established movement. Now, this is where the neural network aspect likely comes into play. All right, it's probably filtering out weaker signals and only taking trades when certain probability conditions are met based on its training. So if you look closely, we are still actually waiting for the first trade to be executed. I think I'm just going to um we're just going to skip this. Let's just skip to date, all right, so that we can go and review the results. Okay, but from the description and the parameters of this EA, we already know that it uses a fixed take profit and stop loss on each trade. And of course, in some cases, trades, could be managed further with trailing stop or break even, depending on how price develops, right? So the EA is essentially locking in profit as the trade moves in its favor while still giving the trade room to breathe initially. Okay, so talking about the behavior, this kind of strategy is naturally going to perform best in trending markets, right? And also periods of strong volatility, especially in gold, and during phases where price moves cleanly in one direction over multiple days. And the reason is simple: it's designed to follow momentum, not to predict reversals. Okay, on the flip side, it may struggle during ranging or sideways market, low volatility periods, or choppy price action where direction keeps changing. Okay, remember that you can modify the EA settings. You can see currently we are using a risk percentage of 10%, leverage is 500, and then you can see here next lot 0.3. If we go over to the inputs, you will see, some of the settings that we saw on the MQL5 webpage, right? So if you purchase this EA, you should be able to edit the necessary settings that you need to edit in order to enable the EA to perform the way you desire it to perform. All right. So now, if the EA is indeed combining multiple internal conditions through its neural network, that could help reduce bad entries. But it also adds a layer of complexity that you can't directly see or tweak easily. So I realized that the back testing for that daily time frame is taking a whole lot of time. Even though I tried skipping till the end, we can see that a trade was finally executed. I had to pause the video and we can see that over 19 minutes had already passed. Right. So what we're going to be doing quickly is we are going to just use a smaller time frame, or rather we are going to uh let us first of all try back testing over the past month. Let's see if we are going to have a faster result. Okay, we already understand the strategy that the indicator, the EA, I mean, we already understand the strategy that the expert advisor uses, and we understand that it also makes use of fixed stop loss and take profit levels, right? So let's just say if we are going to have a faster result. If this doesn't work, then we are going to try using another time frame. All right. So I think this EA is particularly refusing to skip till the end, and I've also tried, another time frame, and now I have gone back to the daily time frame, and I tried using just back testing duration from the beginning of April till date, but still we can see the time here it's increasing. Imagine waiting over 8 hours and counting 9 hours now and all of that, right? So I think basically so far we have covered the main things that we have to cover in this video. I would have really loved to see the results of the back testing, even though there wouldn't have been much to see anyways, because there were no much trades. In fact, we had to wait quite a while before we had just one trade, right? So I think we're just going to come to the end of this video here, since the EA particularly is refusing to skip to the end so that we can know how many trades it took within a few months. All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you found any value in this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.